Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today I'll be taking you one-on-one on how to confirm that your PayPal account is verified via live chat. So let us go direct to the tutorial. So the first thing that you'll go is come to the dashboard. As we can see that here we can see the PayPal assistant. Once we check the PayPal assistant, we see that that is the PayPal assistant. That is the live chat via. This is the live chat via PayPal. So what we'll do, the first thing was after we come in the dashboard is click this button. Then we come to inbox. Inbox. Then we see view messages. So once we come view messages, this is a live chat. This is the live chat from for PayPal account. We'll click new message. Once we click new message, it tells us looks like you already have an active conversation. Go ahead and complete or click end conversation. So we'll be able to. This is the place that where you come and live chat the PayPal support. So what we'll do is that for you to live chat the PayPal support, there is a requirement that you need to meet. You need to contact PayPal customers agent or the support at operation working hours, and the operation working hours is from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Central Time, United Kingdom. So if you come here in the live chat and chat them within these hours, they'll be able to respond to you live. In case they are not live and it's not like now as I'm recording, it's not in the working hours. Once you leave the message, they'll be able to get back to you. So what we'll do, we'll come and say hello. Once we click hello, we'll see the system will tell us. So first we'll end this conversation. Once we end this message, we'll come to a new message. Once we come to a new message, we will come to the tutorial is to demonstrate how to confirm that your PayPal account is verified via live chat. So we can see here, once we come to the new message, from the message center, then to the new message, we see that it tells us this is a PayPal assistant. Tells us I'm a PayPal assistant. Just ask me a question, I will and try to find the answer. So the first thing that we'll ask the question is we'll ask our question. Tell us, kindly confirm that if my PayPal account is verified. We'll be able to click. Once we click it, it will tell us that are you contacting about this topic, verify account. We'll tell it yes. So once we tell it yes, what it will do, this is a PayPal assistant, but it is the one that normally first we have to interact with it before we are given a chance to live chat PayPal support. We said it is a requirement that you chat with PayPal support within the operation working hours from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Central Time, United Kingdom. So we'll come here. It is giving us some guidelines that PayPal has provided. Maybe the first one is how to verify the PayPal. You can see the PayPal assistant is still live. You can see it is giving us tutorials where you can learn how to verify your account. Once you see how to verify your account, you'll get enough notes. But our tutorial was to go how to live chat PayPal support so that you may get to know whether your account is verified or not verified. So once it gives us these options, these are notes, these are guidelines that PayPal assistant is giving you. So we'll say no, I need more help. So once you tell it that you need more help, it will go ahead to tell you that I can transfer this conversation to an agent. Our reply may take a few hours. For this situation, I'm not recording within the time that we said, Monday to Friday, operation working hours, Central Time, United Kingdom. In case I was recording under those working hours, I would get that it will say that just wait a few minutes. Here our reply may take a few hours. if I was recording within the stipulated time, I will get an option to live chat PayPal support. It tells us, would you like to send this conversation to our PayPal agent? Yes, I would like. So once you tell it that way, in case we were recording within the stipulated time, you will be able to live chat here. It tells us send a message below. If you know the transaction ID date, please include, and an agent will come back to you during our business operation working hours. We will leave the message for this case. Once we leave the message, we leave the message, or maybe in case you had a case, you're supposed to leave the transaction ID, the date, and the amount, and the issue. Then we do not click the end message, but I will demonstrate. Earlier I had recorded something. I came to my PayPal and I said, and I was trying to confirm if my PayPal account is verified. We can see, kindly confirm if my PayPal account is verified. After it told us our reply may take in a few hours, I was able to send the question asking if the PayPal is verified. Let me show you an evidence that support came back. After a few hours, we said what I was asking. I was confirming if my PayPal account is verified, so that I may start transacting. So it came. So I got an update telling me that thank you so much for waiting for our response. I hope you are doing well. Be sure. I can confirm that your account is now verified. So this was a support. The support is called Angela Camille, and they told me that they came and responded after waiting for a few hours, as they told us. As once we come here we can see that it is telling us that after we send our query, in a few hours we'll be getting response, and we will be getting response. The people assistant came here and said that they said that our reply will take a few hours, but they will get back to us. So let me show you another conversation where I came and I was chatting with PayPal support, and they came and supported and responded. I want to show another evidence. As we have seen here, the support that who responded to this query, their name is Angela Camille. They said that we are happy to hear from PayPal members. I'm glad that I was able to assist you today. Your feedbacks means a lot. The conversation has been closed. So this is somebody who is live chatting me via PayPal from PayPal support. So we'll come here. Let me show you another evidence from another support who we had earlier talked with, and they came and responded. We can see the query. I came and asked them that they said that okay, let us here is another support. I asked them verify my PayPal account so that I may start transacting. So the PayPal support called Fatima came and said, thanks for contacting PayPal. My name is Fatima. I'm happy to assist you today. This is not a bot that is chatting. This is live chat. After checking your account, I can confirm that your PayPal account is verified and eligible to receive funds. Please and rest assured, I hope everything is running well. We can say Fatima. I think the tutorial has made the threshold. The tutorial was how to confirm that your PayPal account is verified via live chat, and that is evidence that Fatima came and the other support responded to me. Thank you, ensure you for sticking me to the end of the video recording. Like, subscribe, and make your comment, and I'll be able to respond. Thank you.